Hey my loves, let's make a super fluffy vanilla banana cake, and trust me, this one is different. All you need is eggs, flour, sugar, margarine, milk, baking powder, flavors, and your salt, guys. First things first, I'll be mixing the dry ingredients: flour, a pinch of salt, and baking powder. Give it a good mix and set aside. In another bowl, I'll be going in with my wet ingredients. I'll be creaming my margarine and sugar until it is light, smooth, and fluffy. This step is key and very crucial, guys. You have to take your time. For my babes that have mixer, you are good to go. But for the rest of us, you are going to mix this very well. Like, give this a very good mix until you stop hearing that shukrum of the sugar, and you are going to know that your batter is ready. Look at that sweet consistency now. You need to get this type of consistency, my loves. Get you a separate bowl and crack in your eggs, guys. Don't worry, my loves, a well-detailed ingredients with their measurements will be in the description box. I will be adding these eggs one at a time, and I'll be mixing this gradually so that everything blends in perfectly. Once that starts to look good, I start adding in my dry ingredients in batches, of course. Slow and steady wins the race here, no rush here, guys. And in goes my milk to loosen the batter and give us that soft, moist texture. I loves, at this point, I add a little extra flour to get the right consistency, firm but still fluffy, just how we want it. Then we'll be going in with our flavors. I use vanilla essence and banana flavor, and we're going to be mixing and combining everything to blend in perfectly. My loves, you want to grease your pan generously with butter because we don't do stock and burnt cakes over here, okay? Then we are going to be pouring in the batter, smooth it out, and finish with my chocolate toppings, because why not? You can decide to use any other rishi, be it raisin or whatever you have, to just add to the cake to give it that extra flavor, guys. Just take a look at the cake, my loves. Then, my loves, you're going to be adding your cake to your preheated oven or pot. Make sure you have already started heating up your oven or pot when you are mixing your cake. For the first few minutes, bake under low heat to avoid undercooked cakes, my loves. After 40 to 50 minutes in the oven, look at that beauty. Golden, soft, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. If you love simple cakes done right, this one is for you. Let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe, and see you in my next video. Bye.